Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is saying that we have to be mindful that when we go to our beds at night, we partially die. So, we die, and to wake up in the mornings, we have to be so grateful that we actually woke up. He's also talking about, some stuff that happened with Maxine. Her page was been striked, and so it's a whole big thing. So go ahead over and please listen to the message on here, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and have a wonderful Sunday. Thank you.
Work me do. Nah, man, on the don't laugh. Sometime I don't shame me. Sometimes I feel shame. I'm not even telling someone to shame me. Me just sucked up like a big man. And I know the company come gonna see my ball and cha. But your people are what a piece of calamity. What a piece of calamity. Never in my life did I expect social media to get this toxic. Toxicity? You know that word toxicity? It is not good for us. It really isn't. It really isn't. Toxicity can eat up some of us alive. And I'm very sure you guys have seen the statistics for yourself. Look at how some of these people on here are eating themselves up, eating their souls, eating their hearts out. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is the highest level of wrong. If we are in social media, we should have fun and fun only. That's where my head. That is exactly where my. Listen, people, I swear to you, I am never ever gonna come in here by them cursing. If I come back on here and curse with one more person, I am going to remove myself off of social media. I swear to you. Social media you should not take social media that serious to the point where you have to be continuously defending your character, cursing people. That is not me. I am here to have fun and fun only. When I get off, I go back into my own little world, my own little bubble, where I watch my movies or watch my jokey things on YouTube, where I can laugh till I have no voice left to laugh. That's how I am. But anyways, enough of me. Let's go into it, people. I don't even know how to start. But today I got a phone call. I said, Dwayne, you need to go here. I said, what's happening? Them said, one piece of mix-up. It's better for you to go and hear it for yourself. And to this person, at the end of it, I will summarize what I hear, and I'll give you guys my honest opinion. Again, hear me. I'm not on anyone's side. I'm on my own side, and the good Lord who blessed me with life this morning. Guys, did you know? You know when we go to sleep, right? Do you know that we actually die? We partially die when we go to sleep. Serious stuff. When we sleep, we partially die. It's only by the grace of God why a lot of us wake up the following day. That's why I will never come in here come curse with no one again. I'm very sorry. Fun and fun only. Anyways, I got the phone call to say, Dwayne, go here. I'm like, what happened? You know what? Let's all just listen to it. Let's all listen to it as a collective, and we all can dissect it together. Right? I think that's the best I can do for now. So anyways, let's listen. Bear with me 1 second, guys. Bear with my people business lovers. I love you guys, my people business lovers. I love all of you. All 300 plus of you in here. I love all of you. I love you guys, okay? Let's listen.
Hey everybody. Hi Jackie, how are you?
All right, we don't want to part, darling.
I don't know what Go in your...
Right, sir.
I don't know what's going on. I really don't know what is going on.
Guys, speak your minds. Speak your minds and be open and transparent. Leave no. Speak your minds. Just listen, though. Listen.
To get rid of Bella. Check if you touch something on your YouTube. I can't even get on YouTube. I cannot even get on there.
I'm sorry.
I do mean it, Angela. To my Levy, I mean it. I mean it. No more cuss over here. I'm very sorry. I am sorry. That is not what I'm not a person who likes to cuss. Anyways, let's listen. Let's listen. Enough of me. Let's listen to this.
Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone.
I know you guys all know who that is, right? All of you know who that is. All of you. It is such a travesty. Such a travesty.
Hi, everyone. Check if you got an email from YouTube.
Such a travesty.
Okay. YouTube copyright taken. Yes, I did. YouTube copyright takedown notice. Your YouTube account has been disabled. Hi, Maxine Foster. Due to multiple copyright strike against associated with the video below, your YouTube account has been disabled. What video?
Speak your minds, guys. Speak your minds. Wouldn't you be hurt too, Sharon? Wouldn't you? Let's be real. Wouldn't you? Guys, share this video. Please share this video. Please. And like it too. If you can.
Okay, guys, I'm looking at the YouTube thing right now. Let me check my email again. Yeah. Hmm? What you want? What you want? You want to lie down? Okay, come lie down. Come lie down. Lie down right here. Okay, lie down.
What did you say?
Alright, lie down. Lie down, lie down. Okay?
She's gonna talk. She's gonna talk. Bear with. Bear with.
Yeah. Yes, guys.
She's currently reading. Let me skip to the talking part.
It's not even giving me You can tell who strike you by looking at the video. It's not even giving me an option to pull the video up. There's no option to even pull the video up because when I go in my email, let me read what it says. it says copyright takedown notice. Your YouTube account has been disabled. I'm asking Foster, due to multiple copyright strikes associated with the video below, your YouTube account has now been disabled. Video title August 29, 2022. But I cannot pull the video up. Oh, Lorraine Campbell Brown did it. It says contact information, Lorraine Campbell Brown at gmail.com. Takedown issue by Marcia Campbell Brown. Video title 29. Oh, I have to laugh. All the videos, there's like 3 videos that's there that they said